Did you know that the right vegetables can be your secret weapon in managing diabetes? That's right. Not all greens are created equal, some are nutritional superheroes, helping to regulate blood sugar and boost overall health. Welcome to today's video. If you've been wondering which vegetables could revolutionize your diet and improve your health, you're in for a treat. Stick around to discover not only which ones, but how they can transform your journey to better health. Plus, I'll share personal tips, a few surprising stories, and practical recipes to keep your meals engaging and effective. 1. Carrots. Carrots, often a kid favorite, are not only a delicious crunchy snack, but they're also a powerhouse of nutrients for those managing diabetes. Packed with fiber, this vibrant orange vegetable helps keep blood sugar levels stable by releasing energy gradually, unlike sugary snacks that can cause a sudden spike in glucose. The benefits of carrots for diabetes management are well documented. Their high fiber content slows digestion, preventing rapid absorption of sugar. Additionally, carrots are low in calories and have a low glycemic index, making them an ideal choice for those looking to control their blood sugar while still satisfying their snack cravings. Carrots are not only functional, they are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed raw as a quick snack, chopped into salads for added texture, or roasted with herbs for a flavorful side dish. A popular combination is carrot sticks with hummus, which provides a balanced combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This simple change can make a significant difference in energy levels throughout the day, as illustrated by the many people who have successfully incorporated the duo into their diets. However, it is important to note that not all carrot options are equally beneficial. For example, carrot juice, while rich in nutrients, lacks the fiber content found in whole carrots. Without fiber, the natural sugars in carrot juice can lead to more rapid spikes in blood sugar, which may not be ideal for those managing diabetes. Carrots are not only a sweet and crunchy vegetable, but also a valuable ally in diabetes care. Their nutritional profile and versatility make them a practical and enjoyable addition to any diet aimed at maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or paired with dips like hummus, carrots are a delicious and healthy alternative to sugary snacks. 2. Cabbage. Often overlooked, cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves more attention. High in vitamin C and fiber, this humble vegetable plays a key role in supporting heart health and regulating blood sugar. Its versatility and health benefits make it a great addition to any diet. Cabbage is especially beneficial for those managing diabetes. A personal anecdote highlights its impact. At a family gathering, a cousin who had just been diagnosed with diabetes brought a cabbage salad with grilled chicken. Not only was the dish a favorite among attendees, it also proved that incorporating cabbage into meals can promote satiety and maintain energy levels. In addition to its health benefits, cabbage is also an affordable and accessible ingredient, making it an ideal choice for those looking for nutritious yet economical food options. Whether eaten raw, steamed or stir-fried, this leafy vegetable can be easily adapted to a variety of dishes and preferences. By including cabbage in your diet, you can take a simple yet effective step towards improving your overall health. Its nutritional value and versatility make it a true health champion, worthy of recognition in every kitchen. 3. Tomatoes. Often considered a culinary staple, tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants such as lycopene. This delicious fruit is not only a versatile ingredient but also offers significant health benefits. Lycopene, the compound that gives tomatoes their red color, has been linked to anti-inflammatory properties and improved heart health. A simple yet fun way to enjoy tomatoes is in a classic caprese salad. Fresh tomato slices layered with mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar make for a dish that is both rich and nutritious. While fresh tomatoes are a great addition to tomatoes are great for your diet, but you should be cautious when consuming processed tomato products. These often contain added sugar and preservatives, which can reduce their health benefits. Opting for fresh or minimally processed varieties ensures you get the full nutritional value. Incorporating tomatoes into your meals not only adds flavor, but also supports overall health. Whether in salads, sauces, or soups, these little red gems are a simple way to boost your diet with essential nutrients. 4. Spinach. Spinach, often hailed as a superfood, deserves a permanent place in your kitchen. With its low glycemic index and ability to boost insulin sensitivity, spinach is an essential ally in diabetes management. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this leafy green offers impressive health benefits while remaining versatile in culinary applications. A memorable moment for many health enthusiasts is the discovery of spinach smoothies. When mixed with almond milk and berries, this nutrient-rich drink is both delicious and nutritious. Spinach also shines in soups, omelets, or simply sautéed with garlic for a quick and nutritious side dish. Adding spinach to your diet not only helps with blood sugar control, but also contributes to heart health, bone health, and overall wellness. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, spinach's adaptability makes it easy to create meals that are both healthy and delicious. Make spinach your main ingredient and enjoy its myriad benefits while enhancing your culinary skills. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli, often overlooked or reluctantly consumed, stands out as a nutritional powerhouse. This leafy green is especially beneficial for those managing diabetes, thanks to its rich content of antioxidants like sulforaphane. These compounds are known to reduce inflammation and support overall health, making broccoli a staple in a balanced diet. In addition to its nutritional value, broccoli is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Celebrity chef Jake swears by his creamy broccoli soup recipe, which uses almond milk as the main ingredient. Not only is this dish rich and satisfying, it also fits into a healthy eating routine. For those looking to incorporate more diabetes-friendly foods into their diet, broccoli is a great option. Its combination of nutrients and adaptability make it a true superfood worth adding to your menu. 6. Cucumber. Cucumbers, often considered a simple salad ingredient, offer a variety of health benefits that go beyond their culinary uses. With their high water content, cucumbers are a great natural way to stay hydrated, especially during the warmer months. Additionally, they can play a role in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness with minimal calories. In a recent trend, cucumber water has become popular as a refreshing and healthy option. By adding cucumber slices, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprig of mint to water, people can create a flavorful drink that not only quenches thirst but also curbs hunger between meals. This simple yet effective combination provides a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks and supports overall health. Whether eaten raw, blended into smoothies, or soaked in water, cucumbers are a versatile and nutritious option for those looking to improve their diet. Their ease of preparation and numerous health benefits make them a valuable addition to any lifestyle. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms have emerged as an unexpected but effective option for managing diabetes. Packed with antioxidants, they play a key role in reducing inflammation and promoting gut health, both of which are essential for those with the condition. These nutrient-dense mushrooms are not only low in calories but also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Their anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce complications associated with chronic diseases, while their prebiotic content supports a healthy gut microbiome. One creative way to incorporate mushrooms into your diet is through stuffed mushrooms. The spinach and garlic filling not only adds flavor but also boosts the health benefits of the dish. This combination results in a nutritious, satisfying appetizer that fits in with your dietary goals for better blood sugar control. As research continues to explore the potential of functional foods in managing chronic diseases, mushrooms stand out as a versatile and impactful option. Adding them to your diet can be a small but important step toward better health. These 7 veggies aren't just foods, they're tools for living better. By incorporating them into your meals, you're taking a proactive approach to managing your diabetes and living a more balanced, fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to health is about progress, not perfection. Start small, experiment with recipes, and find what works for you. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share your thoughts or favorite vegetable recipes in the comments. Let's create a community that supports and uplifts each other towards better health. See you in the next video.